December 9th, 2021, Vlogmas Day 9. Hi guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picola's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is Vlogmas Day 9, December 9th. And I'm going to start off the video by showing you the wreath that Gianni made. I showed you the tasty, tacky turkey wreath that I made for the collab challenge. Well, Gianni was inspired when he watched all the videos, and he wanted to make his own wreath, and he loved the items that Jamie sent us because she was my partner in that collab. So he absolutely loved the feathers and the pom-poms. So what he did was he made a turkey right there, and we added some sunflowers, these little scarecrows, more sunflowers, and then he made a dog because it was a tasty, tacky turkey challenge. So he had the turkey right there. He made that. And then he loves dogs, so he put that on there. And just the whole layout of it is kind of what's a little bit tacky, but also tasty and cute. And we wrapped the wreath with this orange glittery bow. And then we just attached everything. These were the little flowers that came on the little stems. And these we just put in here. So we wanted to open up the video and share that with you. So today we are going to open up the advent calendars and put together his Legos. We are going to attempt to make a snowman outside because it did snow. Just a drop, but it did snow. And what else are we doing? Oh, we have laundry, but we're not going to do that on film. We have a lot of laundry to do. What else, Gianni? And I have a really cool, fun Dollar Tree haul for you. So this might not be as long of a video as the other videos.
Yeah,
but
like we said, we're going to attempt to make a snowman, guys.
Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. So our 2 to 4 inches of expected snow turned out to be just a dusting, but Gianni's going to attempt to make a snowman anyway, so we will see. There you go. Alright, put it down.
Ready?
Okay, put it down. Next one.
Stop it.
Well, that's about what we could do with the dusting of snow, but at least we were able to make a snowman, the first snowman of the year. The first snowman of winter 2021. Okay, so it's December 9th.
I'm back upstairs, ready to open our calendar. That's all we need to know.
Okay, so it's December 9th, and Gianni's going to open up his Mickey calendar. What did you get yesterday in your Mickey calendar?
Well, for 8, I got Minnie.
Okay, now let's see what you get for 9.
Yep, but we still have to finish lunching a little bit.
Open up. Let's see what you got today.
I got another Pluto.
Put it like this so we can see it.
I got another Pluto.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, what Minnie?
Yep.
We got Mickey. We got Mickey on the birthday, Minnie the 2nd, Pluto the 3rd, and then the 4th Daisy, Bit Scrooge, and now 6 Mickey, and then 7 Minnie, and now 8th. Now.
No. Oh. Today we got Pluto.
Yeah, but I can't believe.
So since yesterday's video was the collab, we didn't actually show our advent calendar, but for number 8, we haven't done it yet. We're going to put it together and put number 8 together and number 9 together today and show them. So hold on, let me show you what we got inside 8. It looks like it's like a little street sign or something. So that's 8. So now Johnny's going to gently open 9 because he ends up popping all the other ones because he does them a little rough. So gently open 9 and let's see what we got in here. Come on. Oh, well, okay. A little more gentle than some other days. Okay, move. Let me see. What is that? What kind of car is that? Some kind of a car. All right, we are going to put these together and show them to you when they're done. So this one we're going to put together tomorrow. Got a little late and it has a lot of pieces. It's not midnight, it's 9. So this one we're going to put together tomorrow. But this one we did finish. And believe it or not, it was missing a piece. So I had to take a piece from day 3 with one of the extra pieces that we got into in this one. Yeah, to finish this one. So, but they still did give us extra pieces, but just not the piece we needed to complete this. So this is 8, and we will put together 9 tomorrow along with 10. Okay guys, I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. It's mostly crafting items. We are going to be making some more ornaments for Christmas presents. So I got this ornament filler right here. It's a 3-piece pack. Super cute. That's actually silver. And then I love this color right here, the iridescent. And of course the snowflakes. I ended up getting 2 packages of the stars. This is really, really pretty. It's like a bronze almost and silver, and then gold, and then the silver, gold, and bronze stars. There we go. There's less glare that way. The next package is the mistletoe or holly leaves, and the berries, the red sequins, and then the red, white, and green. And I love how the stickers are puffy and they glow. I just think glow and they sparkle. I just think it's so pretty. And then just the sequence right here, red, white, and green. Actually got 2 of this one apparently. I just found this in the bag when I reached in to get some other things. So it's definitely going to come in handy. I thought that I got more of these. And then the fake snow. So pretty. It's so pearlescent. I love it. I got some pom-poms. These ones are super cute because they have that little like metallic, just gives them more texture to have the little like strings hanging out of the pom-poms. So cute. And there's 80 in there. And then this is another 80 pack, but this one is just the plain. So this is red and green, and of course this is red, green, and white. Vase filler. So the silver and gold vase filler. But I'm thinking of using these to fill the ornaments. And the reason that I bought all of those supplies that I just shared with you is because I bought a bunch of these clear fake glass, they're more like a plastic, I believe, yeah, they're plastic, ornaments to fill. So they're super easy to do. You just, take off the top and fill it with whatever. Don't mind the ring light. And then we also have all of that paint that I've been showing you for our ornament making and in the collab video, so we'll probably be adding some of that. So, and when we do these, I'll film it. We'll do like a little DIY cute video, but today I'm just showing them and getting everything ready so that we have projects to do next week. We mirror them as art projects as well because Gianni's homeschooled, so like this would be some art type of stuff that he would be doing, and then it's also going to be gift giving. So then I got this shape. I got several different shapes. That's what I'm sharing with you right now. Hold on, let me see if this is better. Okay, you can still see. Of course now you can see the other light, but but yeah, so I got this shape of ornaments as well, and then let me show you the other shape. Gingerbread man or girl, boy, woman, whatever we decide to do. That is a gingerbread. And then 2 snowmen, snow women again, 2 snow people, and Santa. Last shape of the clear ornaments that you can fill and DIY with is this one right here, Merry and Bright. So I got 2 of these. So obviously we're probably going to keep one for ourselves and then give one as a gift. That's usually what we do. And, we give them to the grandparents and a couple of the close aunts. So that's what we do every year. We make different ornaments and things like that. So that's what we're going to be doing. Like I said, we're going to be working on that next week, and we'll definitely share that with you. Okay, and then I got some satin ribbon. This is just plain red, but I was thinking we might have a use for this with ornaments or with something. So there's that. That's 18 feet. And the last items in this haul are going to be some beautiful picks that I purchased. These are so, so pretty. I've said this a million times on my channel, but if you're new, you'll hear me say this a million more times. I love when you take something that's traditional and you make it non-traditional. So like the poinsettia, I love that this is blue. I just love that. I love that they do the blue pumpkins and the blue trucks and things like that. But yeah, so I just thought this was beautiful, and I love the texture to it with that tooling right there. I just think it's so, so pretty. You did see some of the other picks from this haul in yesterday's video. So in my Oh Christmas Tree collab, those picks that I used, I haven't actually shown yet in a haul, and they are from this haul. So you can go ahead, you can see the rest of those. If you haven't watched that video already, definitely watch it. Today is the last day. No, actually, no, today's Thursday. Friday. So tomorrow is the last day to enter that giveaway. So definitely watch those videos and enter those giveaways. But let me show you the next pick. So this one they labeled as eucalyptus. And again, another non-traditional take on a traditional plant and leaves. And I just love this. It's almost bronze, golden bronze. And then on the other side, it's like, actually there's two. So there's the golden bronze one, and then there's this one right here, which is just so pretty pearlescent. It's like a silvery pink pearlescent. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning. More poinsettias, golden, and I just love the sparkle and the metallic. I think it's so, so beautiful. Okay, these ones, they labeled fern. Blue. So gorgeous, sparkly, metallic, so pretty. And then this is the green with the frosted snow effect on it. Okay, and the last item in today's haul is the berries. Silver berries. So, so cute. And like I said, that is the last item in today's haul. And that does conclude today's Vlogmas video of Vlogmas Day 9. Thank you so much for spending time with us every day, watching our Vlogmas videos and helping us prepare for the holidays, preparing for the holidays with us. Maybe you're doing some decorating along with us and things like that. I hope that you're getting some great ideas to find at Dollar Tree. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you know next time I upload and every time I upload. And guys, I am at 200 subscribers and it has stayed that way. You know how it goes up and down with YouTube. They have to make all of their adjustments, but it looks like it's going to stay that way. So very, very soon I will have my 200 subscribers giveaway uploaded and ready for you guys. Have a wonderful day, and like I said, if you haven't watched the Oh Christmas Tree collab, there's still time to enter that giveaway and all of those giveaways. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.